Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prachi. I am from Haryana, currently studying in class 11th, and I am preparing for NDA 2 2027 along with JEE. And today I am making a video which is probably going to be one of the most important video of next 2 years of my life. This video is important because it is a commitment that I am making to myself. From 1st of June 2026, I am officially starting a journey that I have been thinking about for a very long time. A journey of becoming the best version of myself. At least a better version of myself. Let me tell you why this video exists. The answer is very simple: accountability. I have realized something over the years. Big goals sounds exciting. Success sounds exciting. But it built through small actions repeated every single day, and honestly that is where I have struggled. Because consistency is hard, very hard, and that is exactly why I am making this video. Because from 1st June onwards, I don't want to depend on motivation. Because it is temporary, everyone knows. So if I build my life around motivation, then I will work only when I feel like it, and that is not the kind of person I want to become. I know there will be days when things won't go according to plan, but I don't want one bad day to become one bad week, and I don't want one bad week to become one bad month. I have decided to create a set of rules for myself, and these rules are going to guide my life from 1st June onwards. The first rule is physical fitness. If I am being very honest, this is one of the areas where I need the most improvement. I used to be much more active. I used to enjoy sports. But somewhere along the way, fitness slowly disappeared from my routine. And if I am preparing for NDA, this is a basic necessity. Every month I will complete at least 21 days of physical activity. It can be running, it can be cycling, it can be walking, it can be anything. But every training day must include a minimum of 20 minutes of physical activity. 20 minutes is the minimum. The actual goal is much higher. My second rule is reading. My target is one book every month, because books allow you to learn from people you may never meet. And after every book, I want to ask myself a few questions. What lessons I can apply in my own life? And there are so many questions I want to ask to myself. I will write it in a notebook. Because knowledge without action is useless. एंड मैं जैसे अभी के लिए तो 1 month 1 book रख रही हूँ, बट जैसे जैसे पढ़ाई इंटेंस होती जाएगी, आई विल डू लाइक 2 month 1 book, so I can manage. The third rule is self-introspection. Every Sunday I will sit with myself and I will ask myself so many questions. What did I do right? What did I do wrong in this week? Where did I waste the time? What should I improve in next week? There are so many questions which I am going to sit with myself. I will ask to myself, because if I cannot be honest with myself, how I can improve? That's the thing. The fourth rule is awareness. अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पायरेंट है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके आसपास क्या चल रहा है. तो इसके लिए मैं मेजर जनरल यशमोर सर के DNA सेशंस को देखना चाहूँगी. Every month I will complete at least 21 current affairs session, because I don't want my world to be limited to lectures, tests and marks. ठीक है. I want to understand what is happening around me, and I am quite interested in geopolitics. I want to develop my perspective, and I believe that it is important not only for NDA preparation but for life itself. Now let's talk about academics. I am not following a strict timetable, obviously, and that decision is intentionally. If I know myself, I have made enough timetables to know that making a timetable and following a timetable are two very different things. So instead of chasing perfect schedules, मैं daily execution पर focus करूँगी. Attend classes, make notes, complete homework, solve questions, revise, repeat. This is the system. Simple but effective. Very effective. Apart from studies, I will maintain a daily diary. Not a diary of feelings, a diary of observations. Every week I will review it. Every month I will assess myself. Every 6 months I will review my entire system, and every year I will compare myself with myself only. I also want to improve my communication skills, my confidence, my posture, body language, discipline and everything, and all the small habits that slowly build character. I believe that they are built every day. ठीक है, आपके डेली रूटीन में होने चाहिए. आपका डेली टाइम टेबल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि दे आर बिल्ड एवरी डे. Right now, I don't want to reveal my face, and I don't want to reveal my real voice either. Maybe that will change in the future. Maybe it won't. I genuinely don't know. But what I do know is that I want to document this journey honestly. the wins, the failures, the lessons, the mistakes, everything. Because 1 year from now, I want to look back at this video and know that I gave this journey everything I had. Maybe I will succeed, maybe I will fail. Probably I will do both at different points. But I refuse to quit. And that is my commitment. मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं हर हफ्ते के लास्ट में, एट दी लास्ट ऑफ एवरी वीक, मैं कोई ना कोई वीडियो डाल दूँ. ठीक है, वो वीडियो किसी भी टॉपिक पर हो सकती है, मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता है. एंड मैं कोशिश करूँगी लाइक 2-4 मिनी ब्लॉग्स भी डाल दूँ हर महीने, जिससे कि तुम्हें पता लगता रहे कि मेरी लाइफ में क्या अपडेट चल रही है, ये सारी चीज़ें. या तो मैं कोई वीडियो बना लूँगी, इट डिपेंड्स. ठीक है, या फिर मैं कोई पोस्ट डाल दूँगी जिससे मैं तुम्हें बता दूँगी कि ये चीज़ें हैं, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करके ये चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने गलत की, सही की, मतलब सारी चीज़ों की डिटेल्ड एक फ़ोटो डाल दूँगी जिस पेज पे लिखा होगा सारी चीज़ें, तो जिससे तुम समझ जाओगे कि इन विच डायरेक्शन आई एम गोइंग. एंड आप अपने सजेशंस कमेंट्स के अंदर दे सकते हैं.